Industrial hygiene is the science of protecting and enhancing the health and safety of people at work and in their communities. Typically, an industrial hygienist deals with 5 types of hazards: physical hazards, chemical hazards, ergonomic hazards, biological hazards, and air contaminants. A hygienist's focus is on recognizing, anticipating, evaluating, and developing or recommending methods to control these hazards. So a lot of industrial hygiene involves measurements, noise levels, chemical concentrations, air quality, and the like. When an industrial hygienist is assigned to a facility, they will initially perform a workplace analysis to determine what jobs and workstations may be sources of potential problems. They will examine the workplace to determine what hazards currently exist there, as well as what types of hazards might develop in the future. The hygienist will then analyze the hazards and investigate what can be done to either eliminate or control them, so that they can achieve risk levels that are as low as reasonably practical. If once those steps have been taken, the remaining risk levels still could result in harm to employees or the community. The hygienist will determine what protections are needed to control the hazards and keep people safe. The first step in the process is to determine if administrative controls can be used to effectively protect workers from the hazards that are associated with a task. These can include adjusting the way a task itself or the steps within the task are scheduled to minimize employees' exposure levels. For example, a task with a high potential for exposure to a hazard might be scheduled during times when the fewest employees are in the area,